children, this is Jyoti and I am here to teach you English grammar on behalf of Jyoti Academy class 2nd and chapter 3. Children, yesterday we did the chapter 3 naming word and we also did the exercises of this chapter. Okay? And today we will start next chapter, chapter 4. More naming words. Chapter 4 name is More Naming Words. Children, you are seeing some pictures on your screen. Boy, girl and fort and dog. Read it. This is a boy. His name is Ravi. Children, boy is naming bird. Yesterday I told you that the name of person, place, animal and thing are called naming birds. Okay? Naming bird can be general or common. An example are man, teachers, dog, country, bus, etc. So, this is a boy and boy is a naming word. His name is Ravi. What is the name of this boy? His name is Ravi. Okay? And next picture you are seeing, this is the picture of a girl. This is a girl and girl is a naming word because girl is a person, so girl is a naming word. Her name is Shimi. What is the name of this girl? Her name is Shimi. Shimi is naming word because we give the name to this girl. Her name is Shimi. Next is, this is a fort. Children, we called it in Hindi Kila. It is the Red Fort in Delhi. Fort is a place. So, place is a naming word. Fort is naming word. And when we give the name to this fort, it is also a naming word. It is the Red Fort in Delhi. Children, Delhi is a place and Red Fort is also a place. So both are naming words, Red Fort and Delhi. Next is, this is Ravi's dog. Animals, place, things, all are called naming words and dog is a animal and animals are naming word. This is Ravi's dog. So dog is naming word. Its name is Sheru. When we gave name to the dog, we also called it naming word. Its name is Sheru and Sheru is a naming word. Okay? Next is, in the sentences given below, boy, girl, dog and fort are common naming word. Children, boy, girl, dog, fort, these are common naming words. Okay? Because this is the mixture of the things place, animals. Okay, so we called it common naming word. Boy, girl, dog and fort are common naming word. Next is Ravi, Simi, Sheru, Red Fort and Delhi are special naming word. Children, Ravi, Simi, Sheru, Red Fort and Delhi are special naming word because when we give the name to the boy, to the girl, to the fort, to the dog, it become special. Okay, it specify that boy, that girl, that fort or that dog. So we called it special naming words like Ravi and Simi, Sheru, Red Fort and Delhi. We gave the name to the boy Ravi, we gave name to the girl Simi, and we specify the fort by Red Fort, and we gave name to the dog, that is Sheru. So these are specifying words, so we call it special naming word. Ravi, Shimi, Sheru, Red Fort and Delhi are special naming word. We gave special name to the people, countries, town, building, river, mountain, pets, etc. Children, we gave special name to the pupil like your name Artika, Yash, Aman, Aradhya. When we give a special name to the person or countries or town or building or river or mountain or pets. Okay, so these are called special naming word. For example, Saina Nehwal. Okay, when we give a name to a person, Saina Nehwal, it becomes special naming word. Okay, India and Patna, Taj Mahal, Yamuna, Himalaya, Fluffy, etc. Children, these are the example of special naming words. Always special naming word always begin with a capital letter. Okay, so children, when we gave name to the person, country, town, building, river, mountain, etc., we call it special naming word. Okay, revise it at your home. This is your homework, and tomorrow we will solve the exercise of this chapter. Thank you.